Ever wondered how professional dog trainers transform even the most stubborn dogs into well-behaved companions? In this video, I'll share the best training techniques to teach your dog obedience, discipline, and even cool tricks, the right way. Let's start with the foundation of all training, teaching your dog essential commands like sit, stay, and come. These are the building blocks of good behavior. How to teach SIT: hold a treat above your dog's head and move it back until they sit naturally. Reward with praise. How to teach stay: use a hand signal, step back slowly, and reward when they don't move. How to teach come: call your dog in an excited voice while showing a treat. Reward when they come. Potty training is crucial, and consistency is key. Follow this golden rule: take your dog outside first thing in the morning, after meals, and before bedtime. Reward every success. Leash training tip: if your dog pulls, stop walking and wait. Reward them only when they stop pulling. Many dogs struggle with barking, biting, or jumping. Here's how to correct bad behaviors positively. Stop barking, redirect their attention and use quiet as a command. Reward silence. Stop biting: if they bite, yelp like a puppy to teach them it hurts. Stop jumping, ignore jumping behavior and reward calm greetings. Once your dog knows the basics, take it to the next level with fun tricks like shake hands and roll over. Shake hands: hold a treat and wait for them to lift their paw. Reward. Roll over: guide them with a treat in a circular motion until they roll over. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, and subscribe for more dog training tips. Let's make the world a better place, one well-trained dog at a time.